This brewery in Makati is one of the oldest craft beer breweries in Metro Manila. They opened, I think, around 10 years ago. And since then, it has become one of the most prominent brands sa mga craft beer events na napupuntahan ko. Hi everyone, my name is MJ Mijares and I'm here at one of my favorite craft beer breweries here in Makati. This is Nipa Brew, Taproom and Brew House, and I'm drinking their India Brown Ale. It's a dark beer, dark ale, pero madali siyang inumin. It's not like the other dark beers like stouts or porters na very heavy on the throat. This one, although it's dark, it's so easy to drink because it's just ale. Actually, I've been going dito sa Nipa Brew for the past 3 years na yata or more than 3 years. And I have tasted all of the beers that they have here. And this is one of my favorites. It's 6% alcohol by volume, so medyo mataas siya. No? They call it Drop Zone. That's what the branding here says. It's available on the top there. So ito yung lineup nila ng beers available dito sa top. This is white IPA called Release Me From Lockdown. India Pale Ale IPA. It's called Hop Flask. Tropic Haze is wheat ale. This one is Juicy IPA. It's called Squeeze Me, I'm Human. This one is called Sunstoke. Sunstoke is blonde ale. This one, ito yung pinakamalakas nila. It's called Take Me To Your Leader. It's Scotch Heavy Ales. And then this is what I'm drinking now, Drop Zone. This full glass of beer is 215 pesos. And by the way, if you find these videos informative, click the like button down below. Thank you for doing that. I really appreciate it. This brewery in Makati is very easy to find. This is in Camagong Street. This is Soleil's Hotel in Camagong Street, Makati. And sa ground floor ng building na yan, nandyan ang Nipa Brew. Sometimes may mga events ang craft beer community dito sa Philippines, particularly dito sa Manila, na dito ginagawa. And I've attended plenty of events na dito nangyari sa Nipa Brew. So very memorable sa akin itong place na to, itong brewery na to. In fact, I have made a couple of episodes na dito ginawa. If you wanna watch those episodes, click right here. Look, they have a popcorn machine. I got free popcorn. Okay, bitin ako sa isang baso lang. And every time I go here, I always order yung Professor's Brew. It's their IPA. Actually, this is my favorite beer dito sa Nipa Brew. The alcohol content of this is a little bit higher. It's 6.5% alcohol by volume. The reason why I like the IPA here is madali siyang inumin. Kasi may mga IPA na ako na nainom before in the past na ang bitter sa lalamunan. Although I like the taste of bitterness, I like the taste of IPAs. If masyadong mataas, it's a little bit harder to drink. This one is just right. It's just perfect. And aside from the beers pala, they also have here very good pulutan food. This one is chicken poppers. It's a Thursday night, so as you can see, walang tao. Medyo maaga pa kasi. It's only 8 o'clock. Solo ko itong lugar. So how about you? What's your favorite Pinoy craft beer? Or if you're not into craft beers, let me know down in the comments kung ano yung mga pinaka-paborito nyong beer. By the way, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. Yun na lang muna guys. Let's support Pinoy craft beers. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.